Hello guys, welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we're taking a look at one of our favorite altcoins on this channel, ZCash. ZCash is currently trading for $64. The altcoin market has been tanking. Yes, we've been having a rally in the altcoin market, but it looks as if we're having a red week right now. We're also having a very red day. In the last one day, ZCash has lost more than 15% of its value. In this video, we're looking at the ZCash US dollar price chart. Should we start buying the dip right now? Where should we start buying the dip? And how low can ZCash go if we are going to dump into Goblin Town? Should we be expecting higher price for ZCash in this relief rally? We'll also be looking at ZCash performance against Ethereum, ZCash performance against Bitcoin, and then we'll take a peek at ZCash market cap. Currently, it's below $1 billion. Is it the time to buy the dip? Or is it time to sell our ZCash expecting lower prices? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, if you're new to this channel and you want to make money trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, this is the channel for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Let's get down to business. Guys, at the point of recording this video, we're having a red day in the altcoin market. ZCash is still down 58.4% in the last 1 year. In the last 1 month, it's just up 0.3%. In the last 1 week, it's still down 18.9%. Even in the last 24 hours at the point of recording this video, ZCash is down 15.5%. Altcoins are dumping. It looks as if the relief in the market is over because right now we're having a very red week and it looks as if we're going to have a very red month. Should we start buying the dip for Bitcoin Cash? Should we start buying the dip for ZCash right now? Guys, since where ZCash topped in 2021 when it got to $367, all the other rallies we have been having after then has been getting a lower low. All the rallies ZCash has been having after then, we have just been getting a lower high. We had this high of $367, $369. Then we had a mini bear market in 2021. ZCash lost 79% of its value. Guys, guess what? We thought that ZCash was going to go to set new all-time highs, but that was not possible. In November 2021, ZCash went up 261% to $299, $300 or some exchanges. Now, after that pump, ZCash dumped again. Now, ZCash has been doing this pump and dump motion, but we have not been setting higher highs. That's why we need to actually ask ourselves, should we buy the dip this time? Is this time different? ZCash dumped 72% here again. We had another rally in April 2022. It pumped another 154% and it dumped another 17% again. Now, this time we didn't get our normal rally we used to see in Bitcoin Cash where it pumped over 100%. So we should ask ourselves, should we buy the dip? Because guys, a lot of people are saying Bitcoin might go to 10, 14, maybe $12,000. ZCash only pumped 59% in this rally, and right now it looks as if ZCash is dumping really hard because from that 54% pump we had in ZCash, we have lost more than 20% of all that rise. ZCash is down to $64. If I'm going to be buying the dip for ZCash, I'm going to be waiting for ZCash to get around this $50 region, or maybe I'll just wait for ZCash to set new all-time lows because this is a very, very critical level for ZCash. Guys, you see that if ZCash breaks this $50 level, we might see ZCash going to as low as maybe $35. If that $35 level doesn't hold, we might be seeing new all-time lows for ZCash. But history is showing us that around this $50 region, this would be a very, very good place to buy some ZCash to hold for the long term. And guys, if you look at ZCash RSI, you can see that it got to the overbought region right here, and this was when price was getting to around $82 for ZCash. Guys, look at ZCash RSI right now. ZCash RSI came to this overbought region. Right now it's dumping. It's heading towards the oversold region, and as it's heading there, you expect price to get lower. Are we going to see new lows for ZCash in this cycle? If ZCash gets to this $50 to $37 region, this will be a very, very good accumulation point for ZCash. But if the relief rally is not over and you buy the dip at $50, where should you be selling your ZCash? Guys, ZCash should have significant resistance it's going to face before we're going to see new all-time highs. And history has shown us that when the market is pumping, is when you want to be buying ZCash because ZCash might outperform the market. But you have to notice the trend for ZCash right here, that after this high we set right here, then we set another low, but we couldn't get as high as the one we set right here. We set another lower high, then another low, then you set another lower high again. Now set another lower low. So right now we're in limbo for ZCash. Will ZCash set a new lower low to confirm the bearish trend, or are we just going to set another lower high, and maybe we'll pump to new highs. Only time will tell, but we have to ask ourselves, should we buy ZCash in the bear market? Because if you believe in this project, if you believe that in the next bull run ZCash will still be here, then you want to be dollar cost averaging into ZCash in the bear market. Remember, the bear market is a very, very long time. Currently, ZCash market cap is below $1 billion. Its market cap has lost more than 15% of its value in the last 24 hours. ZCash is ranked 50 on CoinMarketCap. We have 188,000 people that have ZCash on their watch list. ZCash has 15 million of its maximum 21 million coins in circulation. Let's look at how ZCash is performing against Ethereum. Against Ethereum, ZCash is at a very, very critical level against Ethereum. Where ZCash is right now is a huge support level for it against Ethereum. If ZCash loses this level, we might see ZCash drop to as low as where it was against Ethereum in October 2021. We don't want ZCash to break this level because, guys, if we break this level for ZCash, we might see ZCash dumping really low. But should we start selling our Ethereums for some ZCash? Because, guys, if ZCash start pumping, we know that ZCash can pump to the upside, and it looks as if the whole narrative right now is about privacy. We're hearing a lot of talk about privacy. A lot of people don't want their government to know what they are doing, and ZCash selling point is privacy. A lot of people want to get ZCash because ZCash is a decentralized cryptocurrency focused on privacy and anonymity. It uses the ZCash zero knowledge proof technology that allows nodes on the network to verify transactions without revealing any sensitive information about those transactions. So, guys, tell me, will you be getting some ZCash in the bear market? ZCash has been losing value against Ethereum for quite a number of years right now. At some point in time, the trend is going to change. We're going to see ZCash pump really hard against Ethereum. Can ZCash break the previous all-time high, guys? You won't believe that ZCash had the time that ZCash was trading for over $4,000. Can ZCash go back to those glory days? In 2017, ZCash got to as high as $953. Only time will tell if we're going to see a new all-time high for ZCash anytime soon. But if you look at ZCash performance against Bitcoin, it's telling us that something is going to happen very, very soon. It's either ZCash will dump really hard against Bitcoin, or it will pump really, really hard against Bitcoin. ZCash has been losing value against Bitcoin for years. It has been finding really hard to pump against Bitcoin. Yes, ZCash used to pump when the market is pumping, but it has been since when they set its all-time high against Bitcoin in June 2017, guys. We have seen ZCash dump more than 99% against Bitcoin. Yes, it has recovered some of those value, but for us to set new all-time highs for ZCash against Bitcoin, guys, we'll have to pump an outrageous amount against Bitcoin. Now, from the lows that ZCash has set against Bitcoin, it has gone up 95%. That's really good to see, guys. But from where we are right now, if ZCash is going to go to where it was, from where we are right now, guys, if ZCash is going to go to where it was against Bitcoin on July 2017, we'll need to see ZCash pump over 5,394% against Bitcoin. It means if you flip one of your Bitcoin right now for some ZCash, add the top right here, if it gets to where it was in July 2017, you will have over 53 Bitcoins if you sell those ZCash back to Bitcoin. Are we going to ever see that kind of crazy scenario happen? Only time will tell right now. If you look at ZCash market cap, it's currently below $1 billion. In this relief rally, it got to as high as $1.2 billion, and that was a very, very critical level. We needed ZCash to close a weekly candle above this $1.2 billion. That was not possible. You can see that all the time that ZCash has come to interact with this $1.2 billion level, it has been pivotal times for ZCash. ZCash came there right here. We got rejected before we went to set new highs in 2021. The mini bear market we had in 2022, when ZCash was below this red line, that was the best time to buy. When we're dumping to Goblin Town, where did we bounce off? We bounce off all this of this $1.1 billion, $1.2 billion level, and you can see right now that we've gotten rejected off that level. Maybe, just maybe, we might set new all-time low. The lowest ZCash market cap has gone in this bear market has been $750 million. Can it get to as low as $500 million? That's the next support level if we lose the $720 million level. Guys, drop a thought in the comment section. Will you be buying more ZCash right now as the market is dumping? Or will you be selling your ZCash into the pump? It looks as if ZCash has been dumping really bad, and we should be expecting lower price for ZCash. But that's the best time you want to be getting some ZCash. So, guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for some awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video. 7, 1, 2